My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like,
yeah. The rain ruined this last week, and thankfully this week it's only drizzling, but a lot of things happened within the last 24 hours, and due to circumstances that I can't reveal, you know, I didn't know if this meet was gonna happen, but I'm glad it did. This is my partner, Shane. Shane helps me co-host all these car meets. This is my boy. I love you too, man. But I'm gonna turn the mic over to him for a second. Well, you said you wanted it, right? All right, well, get on there, man. Hey, get over here. No, but really, so guys, this is how we're gonna do this. So the Rookies food truck has a burrito eating contest that's going down first, all right? It's $20 to enter, but if you win, not only do you get to keep your next day's breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but you get $40, a free t-shirt, free hat, all that good stuff. The burrito is literally the size of my arm, like, no cap, seriously. So we're gonna, huh?
What part of your arm?
My forearm and my fist, my little baby hands. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna do the two-step competition, which is free. So if you want to enter, you want to show off your exhaust, you know, don't do it while you're parked and you know, all those other things. Come enter the two-step competition. That's where you can get it out at. Following that, we'll do the low car limbo contest, which is also free. All you're gonna do is roll your car under a little pole and, you know, see if your car's low or not, man. And then we're doing the burnout competition to end the night. So that's only $10 to enter. You sign up at the Cruise and Auto booth. One of our sponsors, Simply Intricate, has donated shirts and different things and free decals to this event, so that's what you'll be winning. Also, you'll have, you know, some serious street cred, you know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, I really appreciate everybody coming out. You know, we're working with what we got, and we're rolling, and we're having fun. So I'm gonna wait. Can I get Selwyn over here? Where's Selwyn at? Selwyn's got the sign-up sheet for the burrito contest. All right, well, while we're waiting, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 10.
7. 4.
Who said 9?
3.
You got it right. All right. Anybody have any theories on how Han came back in Fast 9? Anybody?
Oh my God.
Bro, this Asian dude freaking flipped his car. He died, bro. There ain't no way he's coming back.
He came back with 0 injuries.
Yeah, and his face looked normal too. So.
Not only did he die, and then come back in Fast 5, but they killed him again.
Alright guys, the burrito eating competition is over. Next is a two-step competition. Somehow Coyote got convinced into doing it. Oh my days.
He knows that 9 times out of 10 I'm right.
Always.
You managed to be right about one thing today.
Well, technically, wait, don't the newer Mustangs have two-step built in?
They have line lock, they don't have two-step.
Taking time, you will decide who's the winner when we call on a specific car. Is that pretty simple? Yes. All right. I think everybody's here. All right.
Have you ever seen them? Like, people be trying to do two-step and let go of the clutch and they go, yeah.
All right, man, so look, if you win, we're going to clean everything on the face of the
So they can get
we're going to practice on
this Fiat? Go ahead. Okay, let me hear something, man. Come on.
It's a Fiat. It's got a
Alright, so who likes the white car? Okay. Who likes the Mustang?
So I'm about to follow Coyote in and get some sick footage of him just basically revving it. It's gonna be great. Can't wait to hear this thing, man. Personally, I think Sean killed it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, still reaction.
It looked good. It looked good.
And just like that, Sean is gone. But I think that was a great run. I absolutely destroyed my eardrums. I literally can't hear right now. So, super stuff, man. Insane. I love that so much. See him over there, pulling it back around. So honestly, I think I'm gonna peel out and go get McDonald's. I'm starving, and now my ears are bleeding. So, there's only like one more barbecue left to go anyway. See if I can even get my spot back in line.
Hey guys, watch out. Make room for me. Hey you, sit down on your phone, watch out.
I think it's about time to get out of here. There is the burnout contest and all that, but I'm starving and it's getting about that time, so I think it's time to head out. I'm gonna go show Sean the footage. Absolutely insane. I think you did absolutely amazing. You blew my eardrums out. Like, my ears are ringing.
From the fucking camera.
I wouldn't.